Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public laundry. First, gather all your dirty clothes and separate them by color and fabric type. Always check clothing labels for specific washing instructions and recommended water temperatures. Don't forget to collect necessary supplies like your preferred detergent, fabric softener, and a sturdy laundry bag. Being prepared makes the process much smoother and more efficient for everyone. Now it's time to wash. Load the washing machine, being careful not to overfill it, as this ensures your clothes get properly cleaned. Add the correct amount of detergent, perhaps 1/4 of a cup for a standard load, and select the appropriate wash cycle for your items. Finally, insert your payment, which is typically coins or a laundry card, to start the machine and begin the wash. Once the wash cycle finishes, transfer your wet clothes from the washer to an available dryer. Before you start, always clean the lint trap. This is crucial for both efficiency and safety. Next, select the appropriate heat setting for your garments to prevent damage. Then, insert your payment to begin the drying cycle. Your clothes will be fresh and ready in no time. After your clothes are dry, remove them promptly to avoid wrinkles and to free up the dryer for others. Take a moment to fold or hang your clean laundry neatly before you leave the facility. This helps keep your clothes organized and ready to put away when you get home. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy laundering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.